Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Kylie Jenner filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. You can tap on the screen to remove your eyelashes. Okay, and you have three different templates to choose from with different lip color. Okay, so this is the filter. To get this effect on Instagram, what you have to do, just go to the creator profile. Lihi is the creator of this effect. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tray. She is having some awesome filter. Okay, so check in our filter gallery. This is the filter, Kylie Jenner. Tap on it. Okay, and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then go to this website. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next video.